Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. We are starting, or I am starting, my winter solstice soaps, and as you can see, I have a new stick blender. She is ruby red, and so because she is ruby red, I have decided to name her Judy, as in Judy Garland, because Simon wouldn't spin right. It was taking me forever to get stuff emulsified. So, well, I still have his whisk attachment, so I can still use that. But anyway, I am making a soap inspired by the song Save a Prayer by Duran Duran. I made this for you guys last year. The only thing that I'm leaving out of it this year is the cocoa powder. For no other reason than I just want to make it more simplified for myself. You guys know I'm working my butt off. So I just want to make it a little bit more simple for myself. So I'm leaving the cocoa powder out. It's going to be the brown, the gold, the white in the swirl, and then on the top. We'll do it. Alright, I'm going to get this to emulsification. Okay, that's good enough. I have been stick blending my colors in as of late. Now, you're going to see a lot of other videos that have Simon in it. They were all made way before this. I mean, I know I told you guys when I made the fall soaps that there's going to be a whole bunch of soaps that were made over the summertime that you guys are going to see throughout probably the beginning of next year, because I'm taking time off to, I always take time off at the end of the year to do all my inventory and, all that kind of stuff. So, but I want to have stuff for you guys, and trust me, I have stuff for you guys. Alright, so let me pour off for my gold and pour off for my white. After this, I only have one more soap to make. So there's my gold. Or white, whichever. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to do about the same on both. Same-ish as both. How's that? Okay. So, I'm going to get this batter down in this bucket. I'll work on our white first. Okay, my white. I know I have it in a cupcake liner because I don't have, don't need it all, because I have, don't have any more of my little cups. And where's my gold? Oh, there it is, I found it. I have all these colors on my counter because I'm doing so many soaps. I gotta stand in front of the fan. Stand in front of the fan. Let me put my brown in, and then we're good to go. I can stick blend everything. I'm just gonna put the fragrance in the brown portion. That should do it. Okay. Let's do these. You know what the worst part of doing 10 loaves in a night is? Dishes. Okay, here we go. Alright, I have to make sure that this color is mixed in really well. Yeah, the one thing about Judy is, if I, turn her off and turn her on real quick, it makes my photography light flash. It doesn't flash while I'm stick blending, but if I do it too quickly, she will, which is not good. But what am I gonna do? Can't really do anything about it because I need a stick blender. I mean, I have another one, but I don't know. I like this one. It's very, very quiet. Alright, let me stick my fragrance in here. This is going to be a nice quick soap. These soaps are always really nice and quick. Oh, Frankincense Myrrh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love the smell. I'm looking forward to making candles this year because we definitely need to buy more, or make more. I just bought some more fragrance to be able to, let me angle you guys down. I just bought more fragrance to be able to make more Save a Prayer candles. Okay, so let's go in 1 and 2. Woo! Alright, and our gold. And our gold. We're going to leave the rest of it for the tops. And our white. And our white. Leave the rest of it for the tops. I hope I'm not all in your way. So here's the rest of it. Let's go. Ooh. Stop. Ooh. Whoa! Well. Whoa. You guys. Stop laughing at me. Because I can hear you. I can hear you all the way from where I am. Seriously, that was terrible. What the heck? Now I'm going to have to move these and clean off the molds. Oh. Gotta love it. It's alright, I gotta bang them anyway. Woo! Okay. Let me clean up this mess and I'll bring you right back. Okay, well that only took, 20 minutes. Not quite, I'm exaggerating. But I have to let this set up before I can finish off anything. So I will bring you back then. Bye. Just came downstairs and told me that we're having a really bad storm. Like, we're talking take shelter, tie down anything that's outside kind of thing. So hopefully this is set up enough for me to do this talk, because I don't want to be down here in the basement if we lose power. I have a flashlight down here because it happened not too long ago. It's a shame I wasn't recording for you guys, right? It happened, but I was down here soaping. I was like, whoa! Like right in the middle of soaping. Needless to say, we hurried up and, got the rest of the stuff in there. My husband was, on the flashlight, and yeah, it was a fun time. Fun time. My son's girlfriend's probably thrilled. She works midnights, and she hates driving in the rain, so I'm sure she's thrilled. So, okay, let me get a little bit of my mica, my gold mica in oil. This is olive oil. Then it needs some more olive oil. I just need a few drops because we have to have some gold on our frankincense and myrrh soap, right? On our Save a Prayer. Okay. And then I do this. Oh, I want a thinner one. There we go. There we go. There's one. Hopefully nobody's disappointed that we didn't put, I'm going to bang this, that we didn't put, what's it called? Cocoa powder in it. But, just wasn't happening this year. Alright guys, I will see you in 18 to 24 hours to cut this. Bye-bye. We are back to cut, save a prayer till the morning. Oh, sorry. We're here to cut, save a prayer. Take a small end piece off. I love making this soap. It's one of my favorite fragrances. I have a candle, gosh, I made years ago. Maybe 3 years ago, I guess. Because I don't burn it like forever and ever. You know, like when I'm working in the showroom and stuff, I'll burn this in, you know, this time of year. And I absolutely adore Frankincense and Myrrh. Absolutely adore it. Especially this particular one by Nature's Garden. It's really, really good. Highly recommend it. It's very, very easy to work with. And I figured I would cut these soaps. Since I'm waiting for other oils to cool down, I will be doing the last of my winter soaps, which y'all will see. Which is kind of strange because it's not really named after a song because we couldn't find anything fitting. So, yeah, it's one of the, actually I think it's the only one that's like that. Oh, and you'll also be seeing me do one that's a custom blend by me. And I don't do too many of those either. I mean, I do a lot with my hot process, but not with my cold process, like the, and I think I like it better, or I'm sorry, finish my thought. I do a lot of custom blending with my hot process, not with my cold process. I think I like the swirl without the cocoa powder in it this time. It's very wispy and interesting. I like that. We'll have to check out the other bar at least, or the other loaf, at least a couple of bars. And I gotta tell you guys, OMG. OM gosh, I used my husband's multi-bar cutter, the one that he made me. He strung it up, and I used it on Ride the Lightning, which is our eucalyptus and menthol crystal. You know, I dissolved menthol crystals and put it in there. I used it to cut those soaps because I didn't do those for you on camera. You know, I've been, like I said, so busy that I haven't been able to do everything on camera. But all the, like, 2 of the strings just broke. Like, as soon as I was done cutting the first loaf, and I'm like, I think there's an issue here. What do we got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Wow. Did I cut these small? No. How did I end up with an end piece that big? How does that even happen? That's like an inch. That is like almost an inch. I'm going to keep that just in case. Okay, let's check out this other loaf. Pay attention, Celine. Quit gabbing. Just pay attention. Okay, let's take a small sliver off of that one. And my grandkids are still here. It's, I don't know what time it is. It's after dinner, but on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, yeah, they look the same. On Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, I have Lauren. Well, yeah, they're Lauren's kids. I have Zayden and Ava until 7 o'clock when their dad gets off because Lauren works closing shifts those days. So I pick them up from school and all that kind of stuff. But I made 5 loaves of soap, y'all, today during the day while my husband was working because I didn't need to film them for you all. Okay, I'm going to cut the rest of this off camera. As always, my lovelies, I appreciate you being with me, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.